My name is Max Allsworth, and I'm self-employed. I do property investments, and I also run a CRM automation and VA recruitment business. The academy's been life-changing. Literally, the network is worth it 100%. Like we've just done our success on a Sunday. We made 10K last month profit, and that's literally just from talking to people. All about your network. Like we got rich by talking to people. When you put it that simple, it's crazy. Working with Samuel is just amazing. He's such a good role model in a sense of I'm a Christian man and I enjoy boxing. He's a Christian man, he enjoys boxing, and we both enjoy making money together as well. So working in that aspect is just absolutely amazing as well. The USP of the academy is the network. You'll make your money back in the network. It's just as long as you're proactive and you speak to the right people, doing the right thing, you'll. It's just amazing. The access we have, like in the northwest where we're based in Chester. We have North Wales, Chester, Liverpool, Manchester, Preston, all these inner circles where I can connect with various people whenever I want to, and it just builds a massive circle around the area. If they've not pulling the trigger, what is the worst that can happen? Like I don't know if I can talk about this. Like financially, I got a loan out to join the academy, and I paid it back already. Like and I've been in the academy 4.5 months. It's just amazing how much it's a risk. And do you mean like Samuel says himself? If you don't take risks, you're not going to get rich. So we took the risks, and it's paid back massively.